In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-up forms with Paperform. If you're looking to enhance user interaction on your website or capture essential data seamlessly, pop-up forms can be incredibly effective. So let's dive in and explore how you can set this up with ease using Paperform. First, you'll want to navigate to your form's Share and Embed page on Paperform. This is where the magic begins. Once there, scroll down until you see the pop-up section. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this page as it contains various options to customize how you present your form, and understanding it now will make things much smoother in the long run. Now, in the pop-up section, you will find a pre-generated embed code. This code is essentially the bridge between Paperform and your website. It's what brings your form to life as a pop-up window. You'll need to copy this code precisely as it is. Next, head over to your website's HTML. Locate the part of the HTML where you want your pop-up to appear. This might be in your page's footer or header, depending on your website structure and where you want your user's attention to be drawn. Paste the embed code you copied here. Now, this step is not just about pasting. We're weaving this code into the fabric of your site, allowing the pop-up functionality to integrate smoothly. If you're not familiar with HTML, this part might seem a bit intimidating, but it's really just about understanding where things go. Most website builders have a section where you can insert custom code or scripts, so don't worry, you're not alone here. If you're using a platform like WordPress, check out any plugins that allow you to add custom HTML or scripts to specific pages. Always remember to save your changes once you've pasted the code. In essence, that's all it takes to create a pop-up form with Paperform. It's a simple yet powerful way to engage with your website visitors without them having to navigate away from the page. Don't forget to test your form afterwards. Open your website and trigger the pop-up to make sure it appears exactly where and how you intended. This is your chance to make any final adjustments or troubleshoot any issues that might arise. This setup can enhance user experience significantly, potentially boosting your form responses and data capture efforts. And there you have it, your guide to creating pop-up forms with Paperform. It's really that straightforward, opening up new ways to connect with your audience effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to assist you further.